Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete recently played on Spotify. So maybe your friend sent you a link to a playlist that was kind of sus or something like that. I'll show you how to get rid of it from your recently played. So first things first, go to Spotify. Now once you are in Spotify, the recently played that I'm talking about is in the top right corner. It's the little clock. If you go to it, it shows recently played. However, there isn't any way to get anything out of this section. There's no way to delete it or remove it from this section. However, there are a couple things that you can do to prevent it. So when you're here, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. And once you click on it, scroll down from the top down to privacy and social. Now, once you get here, you're going to want to turn on private sessions and turn off the other two. This will prevent it from showing up in the recently played later, and it'll turn off your public profile so that nobody can see what you're listening to. And another thing that you can do, it'll get rid of all explicit content from your recently played. Go to explicit content. And once you click on it, turn off allow explicit content, and that will remove it from your recently played. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.